Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy, also known as ETCG1 when I post videos on this channel. That's right, I have two channels. One is Eric the Car Guy where I do repair type stuff. This is ETCG1 where we talk about stuff, and on ETCG1 videos we start things out with, hey, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. Yeah, for real. What do I want to talk about today? Well, I want to talk about the feeling that you get after a job well done. Whether it's building a car like Oliver or a truck, or you've just completed a repair, or maybe it's your first oil change and you just finished and you feel pretty good about yourself. Point is it's, for me, there's very little in life that seems to give me that kind of satisfaction. The reason this comes up for me today is it's been about 3 months since Oliver here, the Fairmont project, has been running. Reason being is I was having some issues getting the exhaust manifolds to seal, and well, you'll see in future videos all the hoops that I jumped through to get to where I am today, which is with a completely sealed up exhaust system. It's the first time that's happened since I've had the car up and running. And I've got to say, it feels really good. In fact, I just spent the past couple hours tuning it up, took it out for a little test drive, found some deficiencies that I need to address, and well, now I feel that I can address those deficiencies, because before I couldn't properly tune the car because it had these exhaust leaks at the cylinder head on the headers, and that just sort of upsets everything. It upsets the balance. Engines like balance. So each and every cylinder needs to be pulling its own weight, an equal amount of weight. If one's pulling more than another, it doesn't run smoothly. So you get sort of a little miss, a little wiggle, the engine's just not happy. But when you get it right, and you're hitting on all 8, as they say, it is freaking right. And this car right now, so right. I love the noise that it's making. I love the sounds that it's making. I love the way it's driving, although she needs to be a bit fatter. When I when I say that, it needs to richen up a bit when I get into the throttle. It's not delivering enough fuel. And I may need to redesign the fuel system to make that happen. However, everything below that point where you're really starting to get into it is pretty spectacular. And it's kind of wet outside right now, and it's not really a day to really get onto it. Besides that, it's the street. I want to wait and really open it up when I get to the track or on a dyno. Point is, I spent the past 3 months solving that exhaust leak problem. I finally got it solved, and I did some tuning today. And like I said, I love it. I love the way it sounds. I love the way it runs. I'm a very happy camper at the moment. My tools are all put away. My shop is cleaned up. It's a good feeling. And I'm just curious if those of you out there might feel the same way. Like, say, for instance, like I said, after you get done doing a major repair on your vehicle, or maybe you've done the first repair on your vehicle, or maybe it's the first time doing something. When you're all done, how do you feel? I feel pretty darn good right now. Okay, I'll give you some footage of the car running so that you can hear it for yourself. Links in the description to additional information and videos that are related to this one. If you have automotive questions, I ask that you head to ericthecarguy.com. That will also be linked in the description. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. And now, to you, Oliver. There it is. That noise that you heard when I started it up, that was the cooling fan. But no vibrations, no nothing. There's that cooling fan again. All right, real quick before I shut it off, because I don't want to asphyxiate myself, here's the loud button.